One day, Chicken Little was playing in the yard when an acorn fell from a tree and hit him on the head.
The sky is falling, the sky's falling, it's falling, the sky.
Chicken Little got so excited that he ran right between two parked cars and into the middle of the street without even looking. Oh, what a dumb Chicken Little. The next time Chicken Little got hit on the head...
The sky's falling. The sky's falling. See? The sky. Oh.
He walked to the nearest intersection, looked both ways to see if there was any oncoming traffic. And when he saw that the road was clear, he crossed the street.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
And lived happily ever after because he looked both ways.
The sky is falling, you know.